Officially released in the Chinese market, the flagship version of the latest iQOO has been eagerly awaited by many people. What's more, leaks about the specifications of the iQOO 15 have been circulating for the past few months. Here is a review of the specifications you need to know. The design of the iQOO 15 retains the distinctive features of the previous series, with a rounded square camera module and flat frame. But this time, it looks sleeker and more refined. The 9.13-degree curved corners make it more comfortable to hold, especially when playing games for long periods of time. The frame now has a sandblasted finish with subtle indentations, so it doesn't feel sharp in the hand when used in landscape mode. The design options are also more distinctive. The Lingyun variant features a layered holographic effect that resembles flowing watercolor. There are also the classic Legend White and Circuit Black versions, which look more assertive, as well as Kuye with a calm matte green color. The camera module now has a transparent style with the addition of energy halo around it. This light is not just for decoration, as it can respond to music or effects in games, making the gaming experience more exciting and personal without looking excessive.
The iQOO 15 comes with a new generation Samsung 2K LED OLED display that offers super sharp visuals, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of up to 6,000 nits. LED technology makes the display more natural while saving power, while the anti-reflective coating maintains visibility and accuracy for the fingerprint sensor. The display is also eye-friendly thanks to a minimum brightness of 1 nit that adjusts to low light conditions. Audio quality and connectivity have also been upgraded. 2 large speakers produce clear sound with distinct spatial effects, while the dual Warhammer Max vibration motors provide a more realistic vibration sensation when gaming. Signal stability is enhanced by 23 antennas distributed throughout the body, and IP68 and IP69 protection ensures the phone remains safe from dust and water.
The presence of 3 50-megapixel cameras on the iQOO 15 is a major differentiator, as the photography sector is no longer sacrificed for gaming performance. The main camera uses a large Sony IMX921 sensor with SEPA 4.5 OIS to ensure stable photos in low-light conditions. The 107-degree ultra-wide lens is also quite capable thanks to its 2.76-inch sensor. However, the main highlight is the 3x periscope camera based on the Sony IMX882 with SEPA 4.0 OIS, which is capable of zooming up to 10 times without losing detail. The colors between lenses are also made consistent so that photos remain natural at various distances. Its nighttime capabilities are even more impressive, as the new algorithm reduces flare and keeps bright areas balanced. In some conditions, the periscope camera even produces cleaner details than cropping from the main camera. The system can also automatically switch to the most suitable lens to ensure photos remain proportional. On the front, there is a 32-megapixel camera with a 2.2 aperture and a sharp 90-degree viewing angle for video calls and live streaming. The dynamic photo feature with up to 2K resolution is also ready to help you create clear content without heavy compression.
Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Supreme Edition, this phone offers high speed thanks to LPDDR5X RAM up to 10,700 MHz and UFS 4.1 storage. The standalone Q3 gaming chip helps handle super resolution, frame interpolation, and ray tracing directly at the hardware level. This powerful performance is maintained by a large 8K vapor chamber cooling system assisted by new generation graphite and thermal gel to quickly dissipate heat. As a result, performance remains stable even during extended gaming sessions, and temperatures are better controlled in heavy testing like 3D Mark and AnTuTu V11. Gaming capabilities feel even more solid thanks to support for up to 144 FPS in popular MOBA games with efficient power consumption. The Q3 chip also allows SuperFrame and SuperRes to run simultaneously in 2K resolution, while the ray tracing feature makes light and shadow effects appear realistic without lowering the frame rate. The cooling system keeps the body comfortable to the touch, while features like night vision, smart auto reload, and 3200 Hz touch sampling provide an edge during competitive play. OriginOS 6 delivers smooth transitions, seamless animations, and AI support that simplifies various activities. Not to be overlooked, the new generation ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, always-on feature, and IP68 and IP69 certifications ensure both comfort and maximum protection. The 7,000 mAh battery capacity is one of its main advantages, thanks to the use of new generation silicon anode technology with a semi-solid approach. This structure provides higher energy density and remains stable in extreme temperatures, both cold and hot. Charging is also fast via a 100-watt cable and 40-watt wireless option. There was also a direct drive Power 2.0 feature that can be activated while playing and charging to reduce heat and maintain battery life. The combination of a power-efficient LED OLED screen and the monstrous scheduling system means that high performance does not have to come at the expense of battery life.
The iQOO 15 comes in several memory options, ranging from 12 GB plus 256 GB to the highest version of 16 GB plus 1 TB. All models use UFS 4.1 storage and LPDDR5X RAM with speeds of up to 10,700 MHz for maximum performance. With an exchange rate of 1 yuan equal to approximately $0.14, the price of the iQOO 15 in China can be estimated as follows. The 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage variant is priced at $589. The 16 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage variant is priced at $631. The 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage variant is priced at $568. The 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage variant is priced at $701. The 16 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage variant is priced at $772. Considering the base price, these prices are quite competitive for a device with a 2K screen, large battery, and top-notch performance. However, if it enters the Indonesian market, the price will likely be much higher. Import taxes, distribution costs, and warranty adjustments often cause the price to increase significantly. Currently, there is no official information regarding when the iQOO 15 will be released in Indonesia, so the exact price remains speculative. If it eventually arrives, the device is likely to compete in the $783 to $903 range, depending on memory configuration and applicable promotions.